Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a thermostat in a Jeep Wrangler JK. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Gather your tools, including a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and pliers. You'll also need a new thermostat, a fresh gasket, and a drain pan. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and safer. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's drain the coolant. Place your drain pan under the radiator and open the petcock valve. Allow all the old coolant to flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, close the petcock. Next, remove the air intake tube and any other components that block access to the thermostat housing. This provides a clear workspace for the next steps. With access clear, it's time to remove the old thermostat. Use your 10mm socket to unbolt the two bolts holding the thermostat housing in place. Gently pry the housing away from the engine block. The old thermostat and gasket will be inside. Remove them and thoroughly clean both mating surfaces on the housing and the engine. A clean surface is crucial for preventing leaks with the new gasket. Now install the new thermostat. Ensure the spring side faces the engine block. Place the new gasket onto the thermostat housing, then carefully reattach the housing to the engine. Tighten the two bolts to 105 inch-pounds. Reconnect all hoses and the air intake tube. Finally, refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant, bleeding any air from the system. Start your engine and check for leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.